Hello everyone and welcome to my day in my life. So as you can see, I just woke up. I'm still in my little PJs and I picked a zit and now it looks like this. I'm not happy. So today I'm going to take you guys along with me. I will show you guys how I get ready for the day. I'm gonna go get my nails done later, and then I have got a party. So it was one of mine and Andrew's friends' birthdays on Tuesday. And so he wanted to have his party today, so we are going to go to his house and we are just going to have a good time. And I will definitely show you guys all the little festivities, but right now I am just going to eat some breakfast and then I'm going to start to get ready. My nails are at 12 and I don't even know what the time is at the moment. I don't even know where my phone is. It's 5 to 9. So yeah, I am definitely going to need to start getting ready soon because I also have to pack a bag to sleep at Andrew's house. So this is my breakfast this morning. I already had a few bites. This is a croissant with bacon and melted cheese inside. So good. We didn't have ham, so just went for bacon instead. And yeah, I also have a little coffee. I cannot start my day without a coffee. If you're someone who doesn't drink coffee in the morning, wow, I'm sorry. But I love my coffees in the morning. And it's my little breakfast. Yum yum. Okay, and now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be wearing today. So today I'm going to be wearing this dress. And it's one of those dresses where you can actually like rouge it up on the sides here. So I'm going to be wearing this today and some Nike crew socks with my Nike Air Force Shadows. Honestly, whenever I go to a party, I try and be as comfortable as possible, but also make sure that I look good and that I will be dressing to the part. Obviously, like in winter, I won't go wearing a dress. You know, I won't be comfortable at all because I'll be freezing. But because today is going to be so hot, I thought it would be a nice idea to wear a dress. I have not worn a dress in a while, I'd say. And yeah, this is a new dress. It is from Cotton On, and oh no, it is from Factory. Excuse me. From Factory, and it is a size small. Sorry guys, it is way too hot today. Okay, so I just put on this t-shirt that I bought at H&M. It's a little tie-dye crop t-shirt. It's so soft and so comfy. So what I'm going to do now is I am actually going to just do a little montage for you guys. So I'm just going to speed up my makeup and you will still see more or less like what I do, but when it comes to the eyes I will give you guys a little tutorial because I'm actually quite excited about this one. I think it's going to look really pretty. So yeah, stay tuned for the eyes.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend, work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me you're ready for the ride. You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time. Trying to breathe it all in. Trying to breathe it all in.
guys, so I'm now going to show you how I'm going to do my eyes. So seeing that my dress is like a sea green color, I was thinking of using my Colourpop Mint to Be palette and using one of these colors. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to use them to draw an eyeliner. So do a winged liner with one of these colors. I think it will look so stunning. What I'm first going to do is I'm first going to take my Kylie Cosmetics Kendall palette and I'm going to just put these two colors in my crease. So I'm just taking Cup of Tea and Loyal, taking those two colors, and I'm just going to put them in my crease, and I'm also obviously going to bring it out past my brow to lift up that eye. That is like something that I love doing. And I'm going to make this, the whole eye, quite matte. I will put a little bit of shimmer in my inner corner, but I want to keep it very matte, and I don't want to put too much eyeshadow in my crease because of the bright winged liner that I want to do. I don't want it to dull out the liner, so I'm literally just doing brown. I'm not going to do anything too hectic. I just want it to be a pop of color rather than like the whole eye being mint green. I feel like that's a bit much. I'm just blending all of this out, making sure that it all looks even, and just bringing a little bit onto my lid as well. And that's the lid. And those are the top of my eyes. I mean, how freaking easy was that? And I think just so that the under eyes don't seem too dull, I'm going to do my little trick where I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm just going to line it down here. And then I'm going to be taking the color Brunettes Do It Best, which is this brown color, darker brown in the corner. I think it's the darkest brown. And I'm just going to blend out that liner that we put down here, and that is going to give it a bit of a more like smoky effect to it. Why is it that we open our mouth when we're doing our bottom here? I don't know why we open our mouths. Just like an involuntary thing that we do. I don't know, I find it hard to close my mouth when I do it. But I know I look weird when I do it. So, anyways, so now I'm going to do the liner. Let me first swatch all of these. So this is Dementor. Oh, it's quite light. Ooh. So Seltzer. Ooh, that's perfect, that color. Ooh. And then Ice Cold. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, hello. Ooh, those two colors are beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Seltzer, which is this color over here. It's just above Ice Cold. And I'm also going to be taking this small little angled brush. This is a MAC 263 brush. And I'm going to dip it into Seltzer. And I'm just going to make a wing, basically. Ooh, I love that. I might put Ice Cold over this just to give it a tiny bit of extra popping. But that is so pretty. Wow, I love it. Let me zoom you guys in. I actually really love that. Wow. This is literally what I was going for though, is just that like gorgeous pop of color, and it ends up being a wing, which is beautiful. Oh, that was such a good idea. Yay! Okay, and then I'm going to be taking Hang on. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking the colors Mojito Miami and Mint Tea. So it's this color here and this color above it, and that is just gonna give us that like beautiful like mint glitter icy color in our inner. Hello Pigment, how you doing? How are you doing? Wow, love it. Shooketh to my core. Wow. What I'm going to do is I'm also just going to take the colors ice cold and just put a tiny bit of it.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend, work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment.
Okay, so my battery died for my camera, but it's okay. So I thought I would just show you guys what the end result was. So yeah, this is what it ended up looking like. I just added some false lashes. They are the Adele wispy lashes, and I just cut them in half, and I think they look really, really nice with this look. And then I just put on some lippies. I used the MAC Spice lip pencil, the NYX Cosmetics lip lingerie in Liply, and the Stila lip gloss. And I think it all looks so nice. I think it will really go nicely with my dress. Yeah, this is the final look, and I'm gonna quickly put on my dress and my shoes and quickly pack, and you guys will see a video montage of me packing and making my bed because it's a mess unfortunately, but I will see you guys now.
Trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I can replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me you're ready for the ride. You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time. Trying to breathe it all in. Trying to breathe it all in. It all in. Trying to breathe it all in.
Okay guys, and this is my final look today. I think it looks so nice. I'm really happy with the way it looks. So I've just got my Nike Crew socks on with my Air Force shadows, and then the dress, and then I'm just using this fanny pack today as a little bag. These are so nice because they are on your body, you know your bag is safe, it's the best. But anyways, so I am off to my nail appointment, and I will see you guys there. Bye. that was my little Saturday in a nutshell. I am honestly so happy with my nails. I think they look so beautiful. The little clouds are so cute. I love it so much, and I also love the little glitter that I got, and I'm so happy to have nails back. But anyways, I didn't do a little goodbye yesterday because everything was just a little bit rushed. But today I also had a photo shoot for a company called Gasoline Denim, and yeah, that was so much fun. So stay tuned to my Instagram to see what all those photos turned out to look like, and also go follow Gasoline Denim if you want to see more. Their jeans are really affordable. They're for male and females. So yeah, definitely something to go check out. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye. And I'm going to be taking a small little angled breath. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh. I'm deceased. That's how we do it. Oh, I love playing with makeup. It's the best.